1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So material is dapat flat. Maganda yung likod, flat. Yeah, good morning. So nandito kami ngayon sa farm. Sunil Alan's farm. Kinukuha namin 12 lang. 12 lang yung dede niya. Saan yung isa? Asan? Paki-check, tingnan natin. So, namimili kami ngayon ng pigs na gagawing sow. So, unang tinitingnan yung kanyang dede. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 din chip. Saan yung isa? Ito. Tingnan natin yung dede niya. Lan. When we choose a material for sow, we have to check the nipples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oo. 14 nipples. But this one has only 12. Hindi, dito.
13 yan.
13, hindi siya pantay. How about this one? Tapos, ang pagpili ng sow material is dapat flat. Maganda yung likod, flat. And then, yung mga nipples niya ay buhay. So, we have one there. 14 nipples. And this one has 12 nipples lang. Okay? So, dalawa, we have to get two material for sow. So, this is the one that we chose. We changed our mind because the other one has uneven nipples, but this one has 7 rows of nipples. Buhay na buhay yung nipple niya. So this is what we are going to get. Come on, baby pig. Okay. Makakahinga pa siya dyan. O, bata ka mo na ilong niya. Bata ka mo ilong. Gabayan mo. Buhayin. Ay, buhatin mo. So, this is F1 pig. Then, tasin. Okay, let's go. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Oo. Reserve mo yung Durok. Durok. Ilang anak mo? 11. 11, oh.
We are about to head to San Roque, Peñablanca to drop off south. Pig and...
You're here at Tawi Bridge?
Yes, we're here at logging at Tawi Bridge.
That used to be the old bridge, overflow bridge.
But now we have a new bridge. And go! This is the Nia Canal, our irrigation, our free source of water for our fish pond. And here is our Farmville. There we go. We have our inahin has now arrived here at Farmville.
Okay, Wendell. Okay. Okay. Welcome.